po namin is to mag-provide sa pamilya, right? So, ang saying po namin is, I bring home the bacon. Ang ginagawa or responsibility ni Rona is cook the bacon, for everyone. So I bring it home, she cooks it. But this time, pwede naman magpalit kami ng konti. Like, she can bring home the bacon and then kakain na lang ako. But I'm just kidding. First and foremost, like when I first got here, it's great to see my wife shine. Usually, ako yung nasa spotlight. And iba ngayon eh. Like I feel very proud. There's a lot of pride coming from what I do, but translating it through her. Like ako talagang streamer ako since 2018. So ilang years po yan? 8 years ako nagla-live stream. Pero when I saw her do it, man, I was like, far out. I've been streaming for 8 years. At meron siyang mga diskarte na ginagawa sa live stream na di ko ginagawa. So meaning she's really putting her own soul, her own mind, her own tactics in live selling. Because hindi pwedeng maganda ka lang. Kailangan talaga matalino ka pa. Or marunong ka mag-entertain. Hindi pwedeng English lang, ha? Kailangan may Tagalog din. Kasi yung mga viewers natin, hindi puro Englishero. O walang translation yan. Pero the way she explains the knowledge that she now has in 3 months, I'm flabbergasted talaga. Like, sobrang gulat ako na marami siyang alam tungkol sa diamonds. And that's why, just like, I'll go back to this, the first part is, I'm just very, very proud to see her stand, not in the spotlight, but stand alone na wala ako. Kaya niyang gawin yan. Even to a point where she will even exceed, or already, 3 months, she's already passed me. And what I've done in 8 years. Grabe ang galing niya. So, very proud of her.
Ayan, so for me, ever since naman kasi mataas na talaga ang respect ko sa mga babae. Especially sa mga mother. So, actually, amazing nga ako sa kanila. Kasi yung biglaan na nila from giving birth, dun talagang taas ng respeto ko. So, yung vision nila na empowering woman, si Sheena, yung niya, ako sumusupport lang talaga. It's like I'm the foundation, and sila yung gumagay dun sa amin ngayon. So, hindi naman siya magaling get up. Kasi alam na yung macho bravado sa men na ikaw dapat na mag-lead especially sa bahay din, sa padre de pamilya. But sa generation ngayon, I think there's always parang equal lang actually. Minsan nga, mas pa nga sila. Kumbaga, tiger na nga, but they are the trainer. So ayun, nakakamiss lang. Thank you.
And for Sheena and Miss Rona, ano yung advice niyo to other women out there who wish to start businesses and be their own good boss?
For me, you have to start with the passion. And kasi kung wala yung passion mo with what you are doing, talagang mapapagod ka and talagang susuko ka pa din. And of course, you have to pray. Kasi kung wala yun, you have the prayer and you have the faith. Kasi kapag wala talaga yun, sa business talaga, it's really not easy. Hindi talaga siya, and you have dapat the patience. Kapag meron ka niyan, the faith, the love, and the passion, sobrang success ka talaga niyan. Thank you.
Sabi pang beautiful niya na, I love that. Like what I mentioned earlier talaga na sa business naman, even men knows that businesses, it thrives talaga. Hindi yan magiging bongga kaga on your first day or first month. It will get tough. Pero tulad nga ng sabi ni Sheena na with prayer, with a great support system, and huwag kang mag-discourage lahat. Sa lahat ng mahirap. It's going to be a journey. You just have to enjoy the whole journey and learn from it. Don't be discouraged. Just enjoy and embrace. And yeah, it's worth it. Try it talaga. You really have to. Kasi me growing up, ako yung rebelde in the family. Because I always want to live my life without regrets. So if this is something that I wanted to do, I'll try it. If it doesn't work out, hey, I did it, right? So no regrets, YOLO. Thank you.
Thank you so